Good morning, students. My name is Preeti. Today I'll teach you computer subject, okay? And let's begin with chapter 1, okay? And chapter name is Flowchart and Computer Language. And first we'll go with introduction. Computer programming language is defined as a type of language used for writing the source code of computer program. Whereas computer programs are a set of instructions that enable a computer to interact with the user, peripherals, and information. These instructions are written in a language called computer programming language. The process of writing computer program is called computer programming. Okay, that means I will explain what is flowchart. Okay, and a flowchart is simply a graphical representation of steps, so various steps in sequence order, that means serial wise, okay, and connecting with arrows. Okay, and what is computer language? A computer language is a method of communication with the computers. Okay, and under computer language, it comes like machine language, assembly language, high level language. Okay, machine language means binary code or object code. Okay, and assembly language is considered a low level language for microprocessors. Okay, and lastly, high level programming language is closer a human language. Okay, and now we'll see types of programming language. Okay, types of programming language. Basically, there are two types of programming language. Number one is low level programming language. Number two is high level programming language. Okay, so first one is low level programming language. Okay, a low level programming language is a programming language that provides little or no abstraction. Okay, and for example, generally this refers to either machine codes or assembly language. Okay, so low level programming language, a type of programming language that provide machine understandable and dependable code, is known as low level. Okay, let's see advantage of low level programming language. Low level language allows user to develop program faster and memory efficient. Low level languages can directly communicate with hardware devices. Okay, and also it provides direct control of computer storage and register. Okay, and high level programming language. A high level programming language is a programming language to write programs that are more or less particular types of computer. Okay, and high level programming language is closer to human language. They do not directly interact with the hardware. Okay, and simple English statements are used to write programs and high level language. Okay, and these statements are needed to convert into machine language. Okay, and now let's see the advantages of high level programming language. High level languages are user friendly, easy to write, debug, and maintain. It's easy to write. Okay, and they are machine independent language. They provide a higher level of abstraction as compared to machine language. The change of error is very less and errors can be found and debugged easily. Okay, and they are easily to learn in high level programming language. Okay, and now let's see types of high level programming language. There are three types of high level languages. High level programming language can be further divided into three types. Okay, number one is OOP, and number two is procedural language, and number three is non-procedural language. Okay, OOPT means object oriented programming language. Okay, and it is based an object oriented program model. It include classes, object, method, relationship, and other process for software designing. C++ and Java are the example of OOP language. Okay. OOP is a programming based on the concept of object which can contain data and code. Data in the form of in the form of fields and code in the field of procedure. Okay, they can contain data and code. Okay, data in the sense in the form of fields and code in the procedure. Okay, in the form of procedure. And number 2 is procedural language. Okay, procedural language, it provides a series of well-structured steps and procedure within its program contents to develop a program, like for example Fortran, COBOL, Pascal and ADA are the example of procedural language. Okay, procedural language is a programming concept of the procedure called step to be carried out. Okay, and number 3, non-procedural language. It is the type of high-level language in which we have to specify only what to do and not how to do. Okay, and SQL means structure query language, and RPG means report program generator, are the example of non-procedural language. So non-procedural language is a type of high-level language and which we have to specify only what to do and how and not how to do. Okay, so this is a declarative. Okay, declarative means computing in which can solve problem. Okay, so this is the chapter 1. You have to study at home. Okay, I will be giving you homework in WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.